Week 2. Can't you make them behave, King George? Today's lesson will be on fact and opinion. As you have studied in Week 1, you probably already have an idea what is a fact and what's an opinion. How about we refresh your memory? Let's start by studying this example. Mr. Smith said, "I can't stand this horrible humidity." The weatherman reported that it is 37 degrees Celsius. This climate is terrible. Now, do you see 37 here? What do you think that is? Is this a fact or is it an opinion? 37 is a number that expresses a fact about temperature, which means 37 is a fact. Now, can you see these two circled words, horrible and terrible? What do you think they are? Are they facts or are they opinions? Now, horrible and terrible are words that express someone's feelings. It's an opinion. Now, let's look at fact and opinion separately. What is a fact? Please take a moment to read the definition. Are you done reading? What did you understand? A fact is something that can be proven. You always have proof to prove a fact. It can be proven as true or false. Facts are not feelings. Examples of a fact: snakes are reptiles. Can you say snakes are humans? No, snakes are reptiles. It's a fact. It can never change. Example 2, the earth is round. Can you say the earth is square? No, the earth will forever be round. It's a fact. Now, let's take a look at opinion. What is an opinion? Take a moment and read. Are you done reading? What did you understand? An opinion is like a feeling, something that you believe could be true, but might not be. It is like an attitude or judgment. Let's look at some examples. The dog is cute. Now, to some students, the dog looks scary, and to some it looks cute. That's an opinion. That's how you think. That's how you feel towards the dog. Example 2, the class is fun. Now maybe for one student the class is not fun, it's boring. Now this is what everyone feels. Some people think the class is fun. Some people think and believe the class was boring. Thinking time. Let's practice. Now, I want you to think about this statement. Soccer and tennis are both sports. What do you think? Is it a fact or is it an opinion? Correct! That statement is a fact. Why is it a fact? Let's look at our second statement. Computers are the best invention ever. What do you think? Is it a fact or is it an opinion? Oops, that statement is an opinion. Now, go back to your lesson plan 2, week 2, and click on the link. to know more about facts and opinion. Are you ready to do a worksheet? Open your Journeys book and go to page 360. To the story, Can't You Make Them Behave, King George? Read the page well and understand the details. Then go to your worksheet file, page 2. In that worksheet, I want you to write 2 facts and 2 opinions from that page of the story. MashaAllah, you are doing great! Are you ready for another worksheet? Go to your worksheet file to page 3. In this worksheet, you need to create your own sentences of facts and opinions for each of the different topics given. After you complete your worksheet, write your success criteria. What did you learn from today's lesson? What are you able to do? I am able to. Week 2, Skill 2, Pronouns, Subject and Object Pronouns, and Personal Pronouns. What are pronouns? Let's start by looking at the following examples. Emma laughed so hard, milk came out of Emma's nose. I see something repeating twice. Can you tell what is repeating twice? Let's look at example 2. Zach lifted the log. Zach found a worm under the log. Again, there is something that's repeating twice. Is there a way I can write both of the sentences without making it repeat twice? Were you able to guess it correctly? Emma laughed so hard, milk came out of her nose. Here, we removed Emma and we changed it with her. So what does a pronoun do? A pronoun can replace the unnecessary repeated nouns in a text. We don't need to write Emma again. We simply say her nose. Example 2. Zach lifted the log. He found a worm under it. Zach changes into he. The log changes into it. We do not need to repeat it again. These are called pronouns, and this is their job. How about now you give it a try? Your task is to replace the unnecessary nouns with the correct pronouns. Chris is a taxi driver. Chris drives a bus. How can I write this sentence again without making the noun Chris repeat again? Question 2. I gave my project to my teacher. My teacher liked my project. Can you change this? Have you gotten it? Here is a list of pronouns. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Here are some more examples of pronouns. Jake and I made a loaf of bread. How can you change the sentence and try to cut Jake and I? What pronoun would you use? Now Jake and I are 2 people. So we will use the pronoun we. We made a loaf of bread. Let's look at the second example. My friends are cool. How can you say my friends are cool by using pronoun? They are cool. You will use the pronoun they. Let's look at our third example. You are a capable person. Is there a way you can change the sentence by using another pronoun? No. It will stay the same. Pronouns are divided into three types: first person, second person, and third person. First person. It means when I'm referring to myself or to us. For example, I, we, me, us. Second person. Second person is when I'm referring to someone like you. You. Second person is always you. Then we have third person. It means when I'm referring to some other person, apart from me and you. A third person, like he, she, it, they, them, him, her. Now watch this video to learn more about pronouns. Were you able to achieve your success criteria? I understand what pronouns are. I am able to easily identify and distinguish the different pronouns used in any text I read. I am able to use each type of pronouns in sentences correctly. Can you? Week 2, Skill 3. Using dictionaries. Do you know what is a dictionary? Please take a moment to read the definition. A dictionary is a book of words listed alphabetically. The words listed in a dictionary are called entries and are printed in dark black print. Can you name some different kinds of dictionaries? Dictionary help learners understand and use words effectively. And dictionaries are in many forms. It could be in a book form, which is the most common. It could be online. It could be through mobile devices. Dictionaries come in many forms. Which one do you use? Have you ever wondered why do we use dictionaries? Well, we use dictionaries for many reasons. It could be to learn new words. It could be to check the meaning of a word. It could be to check the parts of speech of a word. To learn multiple meanings of word. To learn how to pronounce a word. A dictionary has many uses, not just one. Now, what can you find in a dictionary? Look at this picture. If you have a dictionary right now, it would be so amazing if you could take it out and look inside it. Guide words. Guide words tell you the first and last entry words that appear on the page. You can always find it at the top of the page, like baby / bed. Then we have entry word, words listed in ABC order. All the different words on the page are called entry words. Then we have part of speech. Part of speech tells you if the word is an adjective or a noun or an adverb or conjunctions or prepositions. Then we have definition. Definition tells you the meaning of the word. Now click on this link and watch this video to learn more about dictionaries and how to use them. Are you ready to solve some worksheets and practice? Go to your worksheet file, page 1 and 2, and check the following dictionary game. Have you achieved your success criteria? Number 1. I am able to use a dictionary to learn a lot about a new word. Number 2. I am able to build up my vocabulary and improve my writing by using a dictionary. Number 3. I am able to benefit from all different kinds of dictionary.